In this video, you will learn about phrasal verbs. This video is a part of verbs. Earlier, you have learned common phrasal verbs using go, set, put, and look. Let us take a look at a few more phrasal verbs. Pick up has many meanings, one of which is to collect an object while passing. For example, I left my bag in school. Could you pick it up for me? This sentence means Jay is asking Arya to pick up the bag since she would be passing by school while going home. Pick up also means to lift. For example, when you pick up that bag, make sure it doesn't get scratched. Calm down is used to ask a person to relax if they are angry. For example, he was arguing with the watchman and I told him to calm down. Dress up means to wear fancy clothes. For example, let us dress up and go out for dinner. Figure out means when you're trying to find an answer or solution. For example, I can't figure out how to complete this report before 5 p.m. Give up means when you stop owning or using something. For example, I am going to give up smoking. Hang out means to spend time with somebody, usually just relaxing. For example, do you want to hang out together? Hang out can also be used when going somewhere. For example, let us hang out at the mall. Hurry up means to start moving faster or to do something faster. For example, hurry up, you're going to miss your school bus. Fill in means to complete the blanks on a form with information. For example, can you fill in this form? Now you know how to use a few more phrasal verbs in conversation.